Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to transfer a Roblox account to another device. So we'll be using quick login in order to transfer our account. Firstly, we'll try to get into a new device. So I'll just open a new browser and try to log into Roblox. And click on the login button. Now from here we have to click on use another device, and here there will be two options. The first one is for mobile devices. If you are using a Roblox mobile app which you can log in from your phone, you can scan the QR code, but we'll just take the code. Here is an account of mine that is logged in, and now I will use the quick login feature to quickly transfer my account. So I'll just enter the code I have copied. Now confirm login. Now everything is done. And if we return to the new browser window where I was trying to log in, I can see that my account has been logged in and I can enjoy Roblox in the new browser. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.